So welcome back to my channel mga kabalads, no. For today's video, so magmukbang ta mga kabalads kay ting panihapon naman. So pork sisig ra ni siya mga kabalads niya with rice niya, kaning panghimagas nga goya nga thick et chocolate unya panda pearl milk tea mga kabalads niya. By the way, shout out din nila ni Nel Colette's vlog, RG Couple Vlogs, Pare in Pages, Lunas Tipid Ulam, Jima Padayhag Moral Vlogs, Teniente 143 o kang Team Katapang Vlogs. Also to Ejin Sir1 Vlogs at Joey Bonso at Manargitay Vlog Official at Irene 23 at RCBT 2499 at Angelo Daitol 4589 at Romnick Touring Vlog 7200 at Jella TV Official Vlog 1920 at Rexon Butalid 5860 at Tada Lyrics 5414 at Remark Liena 6076 at Sobrio Marlo 40, Kuya Iting Vlogs. That's it. General Vlogs of Team Gawalad. Sidarakimasu.